All right, for this assignment, you are going to be doing some more comparing and contrasting. You've done it in other lessons. Remember, comparing is when we find things that are the same. Contrasting is when we find things that are different between two things. In this case, you are comparing and contrasting the narrators from the two poems you read this week, Practice and How to Fight. So it'll be helpful if you go review the stories. So Practice is on page 12 and 13. How to Fight is on page 14 and 15. They're not long poems, but so it will be helpful to go review to make sure you can remind yourself what they are about. Then you'll go on here. You'll tell me, okay, what do the narrators have in common and what do the narrators not have in common? How are they different? So you're not telling me that, oh, this is about basketball, this is about spelling and words. Okay, that is about the poems, but I really want you to think about the people telling you the poems, the stories. So telling me the guy who's doing the drills, who's participating on the team. Tell me about the boy or girl who is participating in the spelling bee, who is told to not use certain words because they could hurt people. Tell me about the narrators themselves, okay? The traits that they have. So what are their personalities like? What sort of things do they like? What sort of things do they not like? Are they kind? Are they a good friend? Are they thoughtful? Are they smart? Do they think before they do things? Are they intense? Are they focused? Do they really enjoy a certain thing? Okay, so really think about the narrators who are telling us these stories, these poems, when you are doing your comparing and contrasting. Try to fill in all the blanks if you can. You don't necessarily have to write on all the lines, but like 3 things that are different about this, 3 things that are different over here, and then 2 things that are the same. As always, I am available to help. I am more than happy to help. Just reach out and I can give you some tips and some good starting places and go through the poems with you if you need. All right, good luck.